Welcome back to my channel. What is a hypothesis? Made by Chris H. About. So why am I making this video? Well, the next video after tomorrow's video will be a video on the scientific method, which will have hypothesis. So in this video I'll talk about what a hypothesis is, what questions or starters you have, and what examples of a hypothesis. So stay tuned and make sure you click that red subscribe button. What is a hypothesis? A hypothesis, mainly a scientific hypothesis, is what we are doing requires that one can test it. A hypothesis is to find the answer to a question. Scientists use hypotheses to find the answer for a scientific question, which is just another meaning for it. A hypothesis isn't an educated guess. It is a tentative explanation for an observation, phenomenon, or scientific problem that can be tested by further investigation. So that's a basic, I don't know what's called, of what is a hypothesis. Last thing, why am I talking about the hypothesis and scientific method? Because I will be making science experiments and science hypothesis in the future, in which I will use the scientific method and hypothesis. So stay tuned for those videos, which I'll be posting in a few months. Hypothesis. This is just a definition. Hypothesis definition. A supposition or proposed explanation made on the basis of limited evidence as a starting point for further investigation. How to lay out a hypothesis. So how do you lay out a hypothesis? Well, it's simple. If, cause, then, effect, because, rationale. A strong hypothesis needs a definition of the problem, a proposed solution, and a result. Other tips on a good hypothesis. Clear and precise to consider it to be reliable. Specific. Just to make the difference, what is the difference between a hypothesis and a theory? A hypothesis is an assumption made before any research has been completed for the sake of testing. A theory is a principle set to explain phenomena already supported by data. Examples of hypothesis. These are some examples I got off the internet. If I replace the battery in my car, then my car will get better gas mileage. If I eat more vegetables, then I'll lose weight faster. If I add fertilizer to my garden, then my plants will grow faster. If I can't escape black holes, then we are doomed. That's just a joke. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. And down there, current subscribers is 4.